Welcome back to my new video on maps. Okay, so maps, it's a Go built-in data structure, just like hashes or dictionaries in other languages like Python and Java. So let's jump right in to the IDE. Okay, so I'm in the IDE right now. I'm going to create a new directory that I'm going to call maps. Okay, maps. And then within that maps directory, I'm going to create our Go main file. Okay, so inside the main function, maps is just key value pair. Okay, so it's key and value pairs. Okay, so just like how Java and Python represent dictionaries in and maps in key value form. So let's look at how Go declares maps. So I'm going to call something K. Let me call it countries. Okay. We are going to declare countries and then there are cities. Okay, so I'm going to make a new map, and this new map takes a string as a key and then another string as a value. It could be an integer depending on how your map looks like. Okay, so I'm going to print out this empty countries variable. Okay, so I'm going to run this. You see, you can see it's empty. All right, so let's add some values. Add some key values. So we take countries and then we have the key as what? A city. And then let's say Dallas is a city. So the keys is a string and then the values is also a string. Okay, so let me declare another one. Let's say Accra. Okay, let me do it this way. So let's say country, Russia, and then the city is Moscow. Okay, let's do it that way. Ghana, and then the city is Accra. Let's do another one. Let's say Canada, and maybe Toronto. Let's do the last one. Let's say USA. And then let's call Washington. Okay. So these are our values, 4 of them. So now let's print our countries. Okay. So I'm going to run this. So as you can see, the key is Canada, the value is Toronto, key is Ghana, value is Accra. Okay, so let's find a way to access, let's say, retrieve Ghana. Okay, so what we can do is we use the keys to retrieve the value. So let me print this. So use countries, and then we access the value Ghana by the key. So Ghana is the key. So we're going to access the, so we're going to get Accra as the results. We can also print the length of countries, okay? So let me run this. So you see Accra is retrieved, and then the length is what, 4. So Canada, Ghana, Russia, and USA, okay? So let's try to delete an element from the map, okay? So what you can do is you use the delete. You see, the delete takes a map, okay? And then we can pass in countries, and then the key, what exactly we want to delete. Okay, so we want to delete, let's say, Russia. Okay, so now if we print countries, you see, now we have Canada, Ghana, and USA in the map. So Russia is gone. And also, if we want to we can also declare another form to declare maps. So what you can do is we can call it C, and then we call it map. It takes a string, and then let's say an integer, and we can declare this way. So let's say Canada has a population of 200. Maybe Ghana has a population of 20. Maybe USA has a population of 300. Yeah, so this is how you can declare maps. So let's print C. Okay. All right, so let me go ahead and then print this. Okay, so I'm going to run this. What is going on? So run. You see, now we have our new map, Canada, Ghana, and USA. So this is, so if assuming we want to retrieve something, so we can say C square brackets, let's say Canada, which is the key. And then this returns so we can print ERR. Okay, so let's go. So the key exists. So all we are doing, trying to find out is if the key exists in this, if this key exists. Okay, if it doesn't exist, it will tell you false. So let's just make it can, and then run this program again. You see, it tells us false. So if you are trying to retrieve the value and the key is not available in this map, it throws an error. Okay, so you can even do something like this. If is equal to true, then do print print. Okay, let me make this one print v. Okay, print the value. Okay, so let me run this. Let me put in the right key, Canada, and then let's go back and run the program. You see, 200. Because the key is equal to true, we are printing its value, which is 200. Okay, so that is all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and see you in the next one.